Good morning. Today we are going to see how to create FYI notifications in Oracle Cloud Procurement. Okay, so for that we have to enable two privileges. One is like POBU purchase agreement privileges, and also we have to add B author role. So we have to add one role, and um, we have to enable two privileges. Sorry, one is a PO view purchase agreement privileges and PO communicate purchasing doc privileges. We have to enable two privileges. So it's normally enabled in this version. If we aren't working properly, um, you have to create a custom role and you have to add these two privileges. I think this is already done in previous videos. If you want, I can give the link after how to create a custom roles and how to create add privileges to the custom roles and how to enable particular users. Okay, so this video is morely focusing on how to create FYI notifications on the Redwood pages. Okay, so so we, so for that, so we mainly this is for agreements. Okay, this normally we'll create already created one agreement. So I will try to create one more agreement. Like I'm taking this supplier as a ABC supplier, then create. Okay. Then so you have to give the amount. I'm giving $81. I'm giving item like PS putting AS1. Sorry, I'm taking this item. I'm giving the price and quantity like $10. I'm putting a date like one. Okay, so this is the amount, about $10. This cost of the agreement. After that, please try to validate it. So no warnings are there. Try to go to manage approvals. So try to submit. If it's not submitting, you have to check the approvals of the POs. Okay. So submit. So then we have to go to again back. Purchase agreements new. So still is pending approval. It will take some time to approve. But once it approved, we'll get a notification here. Okay. For that, you have to enable two privileges. One is a view purchase agreement. and communicate purchase order and purchase agreement. These two roles, two privileges have to be added to the user. Then only it communicate that notification will come. So I already added, so that so it's coming here. Okay, I will try to again. Is open now. You go to here. Go to sorry, but this agreement is new. This is the Redwood. Okay, to open from here. This is the notification window. So is because that's coded buyer, because I'm created as a buyer. But you the thing about it like a procurement agents. I think you know how to create procurement agents. So we have any doubts on that also, we can please communicate me so that I can give that. This is a new notification windows. The previous is not coming like that. Okay. Uh, for that, you have to enable two privileges. One is a view purchase agreement and communicate purchase order and purchase agreement. You have to enable two privileges for the user, which is if you want to create FYI notifications for the Redwood procurement. Okay. So, if you have any doubts on that, please ping me on our YouTube comment section so that I can reply back.